Which school? Let's maintain the rules. Okay. Right. So that is the movers number. Oh,
I can hear you somewhat now. Yes.
Try that again.
That's better. That's a lot better, sir.
All right. Yeah, I don't know what was going on. For some reason or other, my headset wasn't picking up. So I'm going to find my court reporter. I'm not sure why she hadn't joined us, and I'll be right back with you.
Yes, sir.
All right. She'll join us just a moment. We got a lot of things on Zoom today, and I don't know what's going on. Well, let me go check again. I've got a new court
Yes.
reporter. I don't know if she's not familiar with our system or. Okay. I know what happened now. Which, as you know, you get an invite on these things, and at the time that we set this particular hearing, we didn't know who the court reporter was going to be, so we didn't know who to send one to.
Right.
She's got invitations to our other half a dozen hearings today, but not yours for some reason. But the good news is everybody got notice that was supposed to, and nobody's complaining, so it should be much easier venture than, well, maybe not easier, but more official than the last time we met up.
Okay.
So, and do you have, I know before, there was you had a proposed order that I think I signed only to find out that we couldn't go forward. Did you e-file that proposed order?
Yes, it was e-filed.
All right, I'll have them go on there and find it so I can, and here she comes. It helps if we send you the right invitation.
Yes, sir. Sorry about that.
No, you didn't get the invitation.
I had the one. I was waiting for the other one.
Yeah, I was telling Mr. Wilson that it helps if we actually send people their invite. All right, so you can hear us, I'm assuming then, Eunice?
Yes, Your Honor, I can.
All right, then we will proceed. This is CV 41324 DC. Ex parte Aaron Pedro Wilson. Mr. Wilson has filed a petition for expunction with this court. It's been on file quite some time, since July 29th. Each of the entities that were cited have received notice by certified mail, return receipt requested. None of them have filed an answer or otherwise appeared. The county attorney's letters stating he was not going to pursue any charges has been filed amongst papers of the cause. Mr. Wilson, if you'll raise your right hand, you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you'll give for this court be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
All right. If you will, of course, just briefly tell the court what's going on here, and then we will proceed.
Well, sir, I just would love to have an expunction for the benefits of my reputation and future employment.
And the record will reflect that this was an arrest for interference with an emergency call that was well over 9 years ago. No charges were filed. The statute of limitations has now run. Mr. Wilson, have you, since that time period, have you been arrested or prosecuted for any other offenses of felony level or a Class A or Class B misdemeanor?
No, sir.
All right, and I believe that entitles you to the expunction, and so the court will grant that again, and will sign the order today, have that e-filed. If you'll check with the clerk after lunch, then that should be available for you.
To pick up at the courthouse?
Call the clerk's office. Yes, you can come up here to the courthouse. You can also go on the e-filing and I think probably be able to print one off, but you can come up here and get a certified copy from the clerk later today.
Okay. To the clerk's office?
Yes, sir, on the second floor on the west end of the building.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Sorry about the mix-up. We have we have new people in the clerk's office, and when they saw that letter from the county attorney, they thought that's all they needed and didn't realize that they still had to notify all those entities, and that's what brought us back a second time.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
We'll be in recess.
Thank you, sir.